What's up, good people of the internet? Smitty Sells Cars here, where I review cars so you don't have to, because pictures lie and smell is free. Feast your eyes on this 2014 Ford Explorer XLT in a rebellious shade of red. This thing has 81,000 miles, a clean Carfax, and can be yours today for only $14,000 out the door. Tax, title, and a tag transfer is all included. Take a look at how clean this thing is. The paint, still absolutely popping. The red says, I'm a responsible parent, but I still remember how to have a good time. No major dents, no sketchy body panels, and the trim is all intact, which is more than I can say for 90% of Explorers out there presently. And yes, it does come with a tow package. So whether you're dragging around a trailer, a jet ski, or just the emotional baggage from your last relationship, this Explorer has got your back. So a quick look around the outside. All of our badging is in very good shape. All of our lights are clean and clear. No cracks, no moisture, any of that nonsense. 20-inch rims on this, and you do have brand new Michelins all the way around. The rims are all nick and scratch free, which is good. Normally these little things are boogered up for some reason on Explorers that we seem to get. Coming around the other side, lens is still clean and clear back here. Rim, once again, perfect. Tire, perfect. Up front, clean rim, good tire. One of the nicest Explorers we've had in quite some time. Well, let's head on in here. Okay, power seats, of course, heated seats, no ventilated seats. Really, really clean though. Look at that, I might even throw a tripod in. Still smells like new leather in there. Back seat, same thing. And no, I did not move my tripod because it's gonna start raining again and Daddy's on a time schedule. But there's your third row seat, which folds away to give you tons of room for cargo and storage, whatnot. And how about this back hatch? It is power, works as it should. So you got a little bit of storage down there, nothing crazy, but you can definitely make a Publix run without having to put those seats down. There you go, easy peasy. Okay, so let's fire this thing up. Get some air going on us. What are we looking at? 81,189 miles. No lights on the dash. That's always a good thing. And you've got plenty of toys in here as well. Steering wheel controls, Bluetooth that still connects without asking for permission, backup camera, power seat, climate control zones, and enough cup holders to handle that big Starbucks run you know you're gonna do. This thing is totally ready for, family road trips, solo karaoke sessions, or that awkward rideshare program you signed up for that you forgot about. So let's see what we're working with under the hood. So this is Ford's 3.5 liter V6 engine. It puts out 290 horsepower, 250 foot-pounds of torque, which is just enough to pull your jet ski around town. 0 to 60 will come in right at 8.1 seconds, which isn't exactly sporty car territory. This thing is more about smooth power than showing off. All right, you get it. So what do you think? Should we take it for a drive? Of course we should. And we're going to. Right now. Let's go. Okay. Very smooth. This thing still drives like it's in its prime. No lights on the dash. Steering is tight. The brakes don't squeak. Yeah. Suspension is good. It absorbs bumps like it's almost being paid to do it. Acceleration is good. I've owned a few of these personally, and I actually enjoyed both of them. Didn't have any issues. Hey, y'all do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. Only 9% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So help the old man out a little bit, you know? Leave me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Well, I gotta say, I love the way this thing drives. I love the way it looks. The condition is near perfect. And you can never go wrong with a vehicle that has a good service history and brand new Michelin tires. To me, that will tell you almost everything you need to know about the vehicle. Now for the best part. This thing can be yours for only $14,000 out the door, including all your sales tax, your title fees, and your tag transferred over. And we never charge any dealer fees. So you're not going to get here and then hear about some $8.99 dealer fee and some $300 electronic filing fee or any of that bullshit. $14,000 and it's just you, the keys to your new Explorer, and the open road ahead of you. So if you are tired of the used car market being wilder than a raccoon at a Walmart, reach out to me today. Shoot an email right here and I will get right back to you. Or call the dealership right here. Schedule an appointment to work with me directly. I promise you the dad jokes will be clean, there will be plenty of sarcasm, and I'll even give you copies of everything you signed. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. To all my new subscribers that have came on board, thank you so much. I think this morning we were sitting at about 845 subscribers, so I'm almost to 1,000. Just know how much I appreciate all that. Thank you for all your comments as well. I'll see you all in the next one. Feast your eyes on this 2014 Ford Explorer. Feast your eyes on this